Hey guys, so we have some big news for PARSIQ today, as well as some technical analysis we're going to go over afterwards. But with that, let's go ahead and get started. So PARSIQ has constantly been making a lot of developments, and today is no exception. They actually announced that Evan Chang has become an investor and advisor at PARSIQ. And for those who don't know who Evan Chang is, they actually posted about him on Twitter as well today. And basically, he has a very extensive background. He's the director of R&D at Novi and Diem, formerly Libra. He's former head of engineering at Facebook, advisor to Chainlink, and has worked 10 plus years at Apple, which is insane. So this guy, Evan Chang, he is very, very big into the marketplace and into the big technology space as well. So he fits in perfectly with PARSIQ, and it's amazing that they actually got him. So he's going to have some amazing developments for the team as well. And then also PARSIQ actually got listed on Kucoin. So on their Twitter, if you scroll down a couple scrolls there, you can see that actually right here on May 25th, PARSIQ got listed on Kucoin. So that tells you they're constantly looking to help further their basically development into the different spaces, different exchanges, and branch out with different investors and advisors. So definitely some big news for that, but let's actually go ahead and cover that in more detail here. So I've some notes here I have. And it says details, says PARSIQ's new advisor and investor comes directly from Facebook as the head of Novi Research. So it says Evan Chang, who joins PARSIQ as an investor and advisor, is no stranger to the world of high-profile tech and blockchain companies. Not only is he the head of Novi Research, focusing on advancing the state-of-the-art in blockchain and crypto for Facebook, including Diem, which is previously Libra, and Novi, but he's also an advisor to Chainlink, the decentralized Oracle network that provides live data to blockchain. So y'all know Chainlink, it has been huge into the market space, and again, Chainlink is one of those top 15 coins, and it has actually been performing pretty well. You can see here, Chainlink right here, number 13, so it has definitely been growing in the space, and PARSIQ actually has been doing really well today. It's actually up over 12%, almost to $1 today, while all the other coins are in the red. So again, that is very, very big development for PARSIQ. But going on further, it says Evan Chang joined as an advisor to projects such as Chainlink and Zilliqa in their infancy. So for PARSIQ, this represents an excellent opportunity for growth. So that tells you right there, he's an advisor to these big projects in their infancy. So basically what he's saying is he sees PARSIQ as being very comparable to these two protocols. So that tells you there's a lot of growth for PARSIQ, just because think about where Chainlink and Zilliqa were, a couple of years ago. Basically, they've grown an insane amount since then. And it says, Evan, having previously held the position of Director of Engineering, Runtimes, and Programming Languages for Facebook, has the necessary experience and expertise to advise the PARSIQ team on improving their core product and features, including stream processing language, PARSIQL, and PARSIQ platform as a whole. So again, very, very good background there. And it says Diem may be better known under its former guise as Libra in what has been a complete rebranding process that has recently seen the Diem Association in talks with Swiss financial regulators in the hopes of securing a payment license. The Diem Association plans on launching a pilot project with one single stablecoin, which will be pegged to the US dollar in 2021. PARSIQ will add support for Diem on the PARSIQ platform in the future. So again, a lot of moving parts actually that's going on, especially with Evan Chang. And again, being also an investor and advisor to PARSIQ and basically the director of R&D at Diem as well. There's a lot going on for PARSIQ, and definitely a lot of advancements that I see for positivity and for growth in the future. So this is some big news, and one that I definitely wanted to share with y'all to just see the magnitude of it and actually the background of Evan Chang and who he is and how that's very, very bullish for PARSIQ in the future. Now, for some technical analysis real quick, so we can see here that PARSIQ did have this inverse head and shoulders pattern on the 4-hour. And right now you can see we do have a diagonal trend line that it has been supporting. Now this is a big point right here, so we're looking at that inflection point at about 96 cents. If it does break down, then our next major support is going to be here at 50 cents. So again, the Kucoin listing pumped a little bit from there, reached support on this diagonal trend line, and has continued upward. But we do have a lot of resistance up here. So this is the big resistance point that I'm looking at. So again, we have this trend line resistance you can see on the 4-hour all the way from May 8th. So that's over 3 weeks ago. And then right now that's providing resistance for this upward move here. Then we also have horizontal resistance here that runs all the way back here from actually March 28th here. So again, over 2 months a resistance there, so definitely going to be a strong point. If PARSIQ can break this resistance area here between $1.05 and $1.20, then I can definitely see it retesting this next resistance of $1.44. So just gonna have to look at that. Again, looking at some more buy levels if it does break this trend line down, looking for it to possibly retest this 50-cent level. But again, PARSIQ has been constant developments, constantly partnering with different protocols, hiring new people on to help advise and invest, and just provide new ideas to the protocol. So definitely a lot of good advancements in PARSIQ. And again, it's one of the only green coins today, as we previously mentioned. So that's great to see. And again, hopefully this growth sustains and continues in the future. So definitely looking forward to see what PARSIQ has in the future, and definitely what developments Evan Chang can help bring to the company. So with that, if y'all had any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you want to follow PARSIQ, it's at @PARSIQ_net. Also have a link to their website as well, where you can create an account and actually experiment with their smart triggers, where you can basically monitor different wallets and create alerts on your Telegram if a certain amount was withdrawn from a wallet, or if there's large amounts of any coin that's withdrawn as well. So it's very, very useful, as well as many other things you can do with their platform. So with that, again, thanks for watching. Please give the video a like if you haven't, comment below, and go ahead and follow me on Twitter if you haven't as well. Until next time, thanks for watching.